Okay, I think I need to harvest some of my broccoli. Oh, the heads look like they formed real good. Look how big this one here is. Okay, that one looking nice too. Let you get a little bit bigger. Let's see how you looking over here. Okay, I gotta hurry up and harvest you because it look like you may be trying to flower there. I want you to go to seed on me. I need to go ahead and harvest you. I see you getting big there. Okay. Let me see if any little puffs are underneath. Oh, look at that one, got a little puff on it. You see how I make sure they say you cut around it where you leave the little baby broccolis that's still on there trying to grow. So let me get busy. Let me try harvesting my broccoli. Let's see. Now I got a little like that's it. See if I can get down on the stem a little better. I don't want to. Cut the little baby broccoli off. Let me see if I can cut this off. I need to put this phone down so I can do it a lot better. But look at the beautiful broccoli leaves. I hear people say they are good to eat as well. That they are very sweet, like the sweeter than some of the greens that you cook. So I may take out some of these broccoli leaves and cook them too. They look great. My first broccoli harvest. Look at you, looking good. And look at here, I left some of your little baby puffs. Broccoli still there to grow. Cut you good where I left them on there. Okay, my first broccoli harvest. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, let me get over here and harvest you. My first broccoli harvest. Looking good, yes you are. Look at this. Oh boy, I enjoy eating you. Yes we are. Broccoli grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes, yes. Break off all of these little broccoli heads here. Got individual broccoli there that you can eat. Look at that. Looking nice, yes. My first broccoli harvest. Yes. Did good this time. I cleaned out my asparagus bed. Get it ready for spring to come up. I'm gonna add some straw in this area to cover it up. I went on and cut down my eggplant. She wasn't doing anything, they had to die out. Okay, it's windy weather out here. Getting ready to storm on us. Came out and did my harvest us my first set of broccoli. Yay! Yes, it's so amazing what grows in the soil from a seed. broccoli grown in Big Mama's garden.